Farooq and the Termites.
It was a bright sunny Sunday. Farooq went to the forest for a picnic with his teacher and classmates. Farooq and his friends wandered in the forest and enjoyed the greenery. Farooq and his friends began playing hide and seek. During playing hide and seek, Farooq hid himself behind a big tree. Suddenly, Farooq heard a voice crying, "Be careful." Farooq began looking to his right and left, unsure of where the voice was coming from, but there was nobody there. Later on, he heard the same voice again. This time it said, "I am down here." Right next to his foot, Farooq noticed an insect that looked very much like an ant. "Who are you?" he asked. "I am a termite," the tiny creature replied. "I never heard of an insect called a termite," mused Farooq. "Do you live alone?" "No," replied the insect. "We live in nests in large groups. If you like, I'll show you one." Farooq agreed and they moved off. When they arrived, what the termite showed Farooq looked like a tall building with windows in it. "What's this?" Farooq wanted to know. "This is our home," the termite explained. "We built these ourselves." "But you are so small," Farooq objected. "If your friends are all the same size as you, how can you possibly make something as enormous as this?" The termite smiled. "You're right to be surprised, Farooq. For little creatures like us to be able to make places like this is very surprising. But don't forget, this is easy for Allah who created us all. What is more, besides being very tall, our homes have other very special features to them as well. For example, we make special children's rooms, places for growing mushrooms, and Queen's throne room for our homes. And we don't forget to make a ventilation system for our homes. By doing this, we balance the humidity and temperature inside. Let me tell you something, Farooq. We insects do not have eyes to see. What, you can't see?" Farooq was astonished. "You are tiny and also cannot see then. How is it possible to build such high buildings?" The termite smiled again. "As I said before, it is Allah who gives us these extraordinary talents. He created us in such a way that we are able to do all these things. But now, Farooq, I must go back home and help my friends." Farooq was astonished by the creation of Allah. He could not even think that such a tiny insect could do such wonderful things. While Farooq was thinking about termites, Termite said, "I must go back home and help my friends." Farooq said, "It's okay, I am pleased to meet you. I go back to my friends and will tell them about you." Farooq understood. "Okay, I want to go and tell my teacher and friends what I've learned about you right away." "Good idea, Farooq," waved the little termite. "Look after yourself. Hope to see you soon again." Termite said, "Take care of yourself. Hopefully we will meet again." And Termite returned to the home.